What if the latest beauty trend is hiding a dangerous secret? The star-nosed mole, often featured in skincare ads, promises a youthful glow and flawless skin. But there's a critical risk you need to be aware of. Imagine unboxing that new star-nosed mole serum, excitement building as you apply it. But what if that smooth, velvety texture is concealing a hidden threat? Many are diving into this trend without realizing the potential dangers lurking beneath the surface. Let's examine the ingredients. Those organic, nature-inspired components might seem harmless, but they can trigger severe reactions for those with sensitive skin. Picture yourself at a party, feeling confident, only to be blindsided by a sudden breakout. The star-nosed mole's unique adaptations allow its skin to thrive in conditions you'd never expose yours to. The very features that make this creature fascinating could explain why beauty products inspired by it might leave your skin red and irritated. Are you starting to see the warning signs? Here's the urgent part: countless beauty enthusiasts are unknowingly incorporating these products into their routines, increasing the risk of inflammation and allergic reactions. You might think you're treating your skin, but what if you're setting it up for disaster? Imagine waking up to flaky. It's not just disappointing, it can be incredibly distressing. Unfortunately, brands often fail to provide clear warnings about how these products might affect sensitive skin types. But there's a way to protect yourself. Always patch test new products, especially those inspired by exotic creatures like the star-nosed mole. It's a small step that could save you from a skincare nightmare. As we reflect on this, remember that beauty trends can be alluring but also misleading. Listen to your skin and understand its true needs. Before reaching for that star-nosed mole serum, ask yourself, is the risk worth the reward? Did you know that beauty trends inspired by the star-nosed mole might be secretly damaging your skin? It sounds surprising, but hang tight, was about to uncover the hidden risks behind those glowing TikTok videos. As you scroll through your feed, you might see influencers raving about a new beauty secret that promises to enhance your skin's texture, hydration, and radiance. Sounds great, right? But what if I told you this trend could actually do more harm than good? Let's dive deeper. The star-nosed mole, with its unique features, may seem like a fun inspiration for skincare, but there are real risks involved. Many people don't realize their skin can be sensitive and may react poorly to certain ingredients. Imagine trying out a trendy new serum only to wake up the next morning with redness and irritation. You might wonder what went wrong. The truth is, many brands are hopping on this trend without fully grasping its consequences. They often fail to disclose how specific ingredients can trigger reactions, especially for those with sensitive skin. Now, picture this: you're at a party and someone compliments your glowing complexion. You smile, but inside you're anxious. Will this last? Am I going to break out tomorrow? This worry can grow when you realize that beauty should feel good, not like a risky gamble. So, what's really happening behind the scenes? Many of these products are loaded with synthetic ingredients, marketed with flashy promises but lacking thorough testing. The star-nosed mole is resilient, but your skin, not so much. Before you dive into the next trend, pause and consider how your skin might react. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, but what if the glow you're after comes with hidden costs? As this beauty trend gains traction, remember your skin deserves better than experimental fads. Instead of following blindly, take a moment to focus on what your skin truly needs. In the end, the message is clear: embrace the uniqueness of your skin and prioritize its health over fleeting trends. And while you're at it, maybe give the star-nosed mole beauty hype a break for now. Your future self will thank you. If you found this information helpful, Share your thoughts below. Let's keep the conversation going. Have you ever considered that the beauty trend inspired by the star-nosed mole might not be the best choice for your sensitive skin? You might be surprised by what lies beneath the surface. Many people are captivated by the idea that a creature with such unique features could unlock a new level of beauty. However, there's a less talked about side to this trend that could pose serious risks for your skin. Imagine using a product that claims to mimic the star-nosed mole's incredible abilities. The excitement is real, but what's actually in that product? The ingredient list might not be as innocent as it seems. In the quest for that elusive glow, common skincare ingredients can react poorly with sensitive skin, leading to redness, irritation, or even worse. Have you ever felt a stinging sensation after trying something new? That's your skin's way of signaling that something's off. Think back to the last time you tried a trending product. Picture yourself in your bathroom, excitement building as you unbox that beauty item only to end up with an unexpected breakout. Disappointing, right? Yet, many continue to experiment without realizing they might be exposing themselves to risks similar to those in the mole's environment. Dark damp. What if you discovered that some of these products could disrupt your skin's natural barrier? It's not just about looking good, it's about protecting what you already have. You deserve to feel confident, not anxious about how a new trend might affect your complexion. So, what's the takeaway? It's essential to understand your skin and do your research before jumping on the latest trend. Think twice before applying that trendy product. Ask yourself what's really in this.